Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I'm gonna show you something that I think it's a must-have for your home office or gaming room. Like this one, for example. I have one of these ones already right here set up, as you can see. So I have one of these ones, and I think these are really cool for when you are like home office, like working from home, for example. That's really cool. If you're gaming, this is gonna be a must-have. I even have a top of glass on top of it, but this one, which is 63 by 51, which is massive, I found myself every single time that I want to play right here on my PlayStation. I have a sofa over there, but that for me is really good for like single player games. But if I'm playing like first person shooters or something like that, and if I need to like kind of like engage with my friends or something, I need a chair. I need to be close to it. So that is why this one goes over there. Let me show you. So before we move it on, I want you to take a look at the surface over here. It comes with this kind of like really cool design, this really cool pattern that kind of like works out with the light, reflecting the light works really good. So this one is cool, but you also have a clear one. If you want one of those, they also have that one. And it comes with 4 adhesive pads that you kind of like put this one right here on the bottom side, kind of like right here in each one of the corners. So this one won't move easily. So let's move it right here so you can see how it acts with my chair. And this is what I was telling you before. Kind of like I found myself going with my chair over here all the time in front of the TV. So I needed something like this one to protect the floor, because when I'm here, I'm moving all the time and the wheels are kind of like doing this. And if you don't have like silicone wheels, that may scratch at the wooden floor. So that is why the 63 by 51 is so good for situations like that, or even just to have it where your home office setup is or something like that. And that's my cat, that I don't know why it's in the frame now. But yeah, I gotta say that this one, either for your gaming setup, for the console gaming, or your productivity setup, or your home office setup, this one will protect your floor and also will look really, really cool. You have this pattern over here. You have even two size. This is the larger one, and you have a one that is a little bit smaller, which is not as small at all, but it's smaller. And you also have the clear one. I gotta say that this one, it is now my new kind of like wooden, I wanna say like the mat for the wooden floor to protect the floor, but also to have a nice and a smooth rolling experience.